Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is your next 7-figure life, where we talk about tech, finance and investments to help you reach your financial goals and ultimately build that 7-figure income. Today, I'm going to answer a question that many of you have asked me. What can I do with $1,000 to start investing? Whether you're just starting or looking for ways to maximize your returns with limited capital, this video is for you. We're going to break down several smart investment ideas that you can consider if you have $1,000 to invest in 2025. So let's dive in. First up, we're talking about investing in the stock market. The stock market is often seen as one of the best ways to grow wealth over time, and with $1,000, you can begin by purchasing individual stocks or even an exchange-traded fund ETF. If you're new to stock investing, I recommend considering ETFs. These are like baskets of stocks, meaning you can own a diversified portfolio with just one investment. For instance, Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF FU or SPY will give you exposure to the top 500 companies in the US. With $1,000, you can buy shares in these ETFs, which are designed to track the market's performance. Watch our other videos for how to find stocks. However, if you want to go a step further, consider picking individual stocks from companies in sectors that are growing rapidly like tech, renewable energy, or healthcare. Tesla, Nvidia, and Apple are some of the big names that many investors eye, but remember, individual stocks come with higher risk, so you should always do thorough research and consider your risk tolerance. Now, you could also use a brokerage account like Robinhood, Trade, or Fidelity to start buying stocks. These platforms allow you to buy and sell stocks with low fees, and some even let you purchase fractional shares, meaning you can invest in expensive stocks like Amazon or Tesla without needing thousands of dollars. Now, while the stock market is a great long-term play, sometimes you want a safe, more conservative approach for your $1,000. This is where a high-interest savings account or a certificate of deposit CD can come in handy. A high-interest savings account is a great option if you want low risk and still want your money to work for you. Many online banks offer rates up to 2 to 3% annually, which can help your money grow over time, especially if you're not in a hurry to use it. Alternatively, you can consider a CD. While the interest rate might be slightly higher, it's important to know that with a CD your money is locked in for a set period, often ranging from 6 months to 5 years. So if you're planning to use the $1,000 in the next year, this could be an option to help you earn a better return than a traditional savings account. The next way to invest is the real estate market. Real estate has always been one of the best ways to build wealth, but typically it requires a large initial investment. However, you can still get into the real estate market with just $1,000 through REITs, real estate investment trusts. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance real estate properties. They pool investor money to buy real estate assets, and then share the rental income or sale profits with investors. It's like owning a piece of real estate without needing to deal with the hassles of property management. The great thing is you can buy shares of REITs on the stock market, just like regular stocks. Some popular REITs include Realty Income O, which pays monthly dividends, and Vanguard Real Estate ETF VNQ, which gives you exposure to a broad range of real estate investments. This is a fantastic way to diversify your investments and earn passive income. Next up, we have peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer. This is a relatively newer way of investing where you lend your money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms, and in return you earn interest on your loan. Platforms like Lending Club, Prosper, or Funding Circle allow you to invest your $1,000 by lending small amounts of money to many borrowers, helping diversify your risk. With interest rates that can range from 5 to 15%, this can be an attractive option for higher returns, but keep in mind that it comes with higher risk because the borrower could default. It's important to research the platform and understand the default rates, but if you're looking for higher returns and are comfortable with the risks, peer-to-peer lending can be an option. Now, let's talk about cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital currencies have been all the rage in recent years, and many investors have seen impressive returns. With $1,000, you can start investing in cryptos, but I want to caution you, cryptocurrency is highly volatile. Prices can fluctuate wildly in a short period, and while it can offer massive returns, it can also lead to significant losses. That being said, if you decide to get into crypto, it's a good idea to diversify across different coins or use a reputable exchange like Coinbase or Binance. You could also consider staking certain coins, like Ethereum 2.0, to earn passive rewards. Remember, only invest what you're willing to lose, and make sure to do thorough research before jumping in. Okay, so we've covered a variety of investment ideas for your $1,000. Whether you're looking for something low risk like a high interest savings account, or you're ready to dive into the stock market, real estate, or even crypto, there are plenty of options to start growing your wealth. Here's the key takeaway: investing is a long-term game. It's not about finding the quickest way to get rich. but about consistently making smart decisions with your money and letting it grow over time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on future tips to build your wealth. I'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments. What's your favorite way to invest your money right now? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and keep investing smartly.